వీడేంద్ర బాబు ఎంత హార్డ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చిండు అనుకుంటున్నారా? No, it's so simple. Here actually always you have to try to take the common factors, but actually here monomial and trinomial minus monomial. So in this case, when product is there, actually you try to multiply first of all. So as you multiply, you will get a square plus ab minus ac minus bc. Now you try to take the common factors. Always actually when to take the grouping, when to not regrouping, so that you don't worry. Generally you just proceed with the first two terms. Whenever it is not possible, then go for the regrouping. Okay, don't go to depression. Boss, when to regroup, when to group, like that. Okay. Now let us see here. What is the common here? A is the common because A you see here. So when you take A is a common here, A plus B. And what is the common here? C is the common here. Always follow this sign. Whatever the sign, you have to keep like this only. As you take C common, okay, so A minus B is left out actually. Minus into minus equal to plus, but here you have minus, so you have to keep the plus symbol. Always keep it in mind. The bracket factor should be equal. When you take common here, minus C into A minus CA, which is also minus AC. Minus into plus equal to minus, so correct. So B. Now A plus B equal factor. So and remaining A and minus C right together. That's it. So that's all. Two factors. Ammaya. Thank you God. 15th question. 4A minus 1A square minus 8A plus 2. Okay. So 4A minus 1 you can write as 4A minus 1 into 4A minus 1. Okay. So this you can write as 2 into 4 into A plus 2. 2 into 1. Nothing is there. 2 into 1 only na. Okay. So now you try to take the common factor 4A minus 1. So of course still you can write 4A minus 1 into 4A minus 1 into minus this you can write as what is the common factor here. So 2 is the common factor as you take. So 2A we can write like this if we keep the brackets here. So this entirely will become minus 2 into 4 into A minus 2 into 1. Because minus into this everything minus only, minus into minus equal to plus. So 4A minus 1 into 4A minus 1 minus so as you take 2 common factor here because 2 is the common factor. So 4A minus 1 will be left. So so before minus and after minus 4A minus 1 I can see. So this 4A minus 1 you take out. So when you take out 4A minus 1 as a common factor, here you will have 4A minus 1 is a 1 factor. Okay, minus. So 2 is the next thing. Because actually 4A minus 1 already we have taken out, right? So 4A minus 1 minus 2 is left out. Still you can simplify it. How can you simplify? So 4A minus 1 will be outside factor. 4A minus 1 minus 2. Okay, because you open the brackets and add. So 4A minus 1 into 4A minus 3. Whenever it is possible, you try to do simplification. Okay, done. Okay, right. By the way, this is a part 2 video. Part 1 already I made it. So please watch that. And if you like it, please like it. Otherwise, don't like. So now directly I just want to take the common factor here. So what is a common factor? You can write as 2 into 4 minus 4 into A minus 2 into A cube. You can write as A into A into A and plus A into A into A into A. Okay, so what is a common factor here? So 4 is the common factor for these two binomial 2 terms. As you take 2 common factor, you will get 2 minus A. And what is the common here? 3 A's are common here first of all. So minus A to A cube. Actually A you can write as A cube. What is left out? 2 is left out. Okay, plus is left out. So write A. Now in fact actually minus into minus equal to plus. If I write plus here, so minus into plus equal to minus. But you have plus here. Only this is the problem. Take care here. The last sign you have to concentrate. You have to take care. So minus into minus a cube into 2 equal to 2 minus 2a cube. Minus into minus a equal to plus a power 4. So you are getting the previous step, so hence it is correct. So 2 minus a, 2 minus a, 1, 2 minus a, and the remaining part you have to write within the bracket, 4 minus a cube. So that's it. Okay, of course still you can simplify this, but it's not required now, because if it is square you can, but since it is not a perfect cube, so you can leave like that also. Okay na? Next, right. So next 23rd remaining questions you can write regrouping. Question number 21, 20 you have to do regrouping. Remaining questions will come easily directly, so don't worry about it. So here 1, 2 terms are there, 1, 2, 3 terms are there. So but in order to regroup we need 4 terms. Okay, 4, 4, 4, give 4, 4. Okay, so a square multiply ab into 1 ab into this equal to 2a square, or 2a into, so b also you can write, so 2a square b, okay, minus 2b square. So if you directly take the common factor, what will happen, I'll show you. A will be left out here, already a I have taken, so b will be left. And what is the common? 2 is a common, first of all write 2, and b also common, so take 1b. As you have taken 2 and b here, a square will be left here. Okay. And here what is left out, already you have taken out, so this, so b square is left out. But what we have, so a plus b is a common factor, no? So this is not possible. Then you can further simplify also. So what is that? A plus b into 2b. So this you can expand using a plus b into a minus b. Okay. So now you can take out a plus b as a common factor. As you take a plus b out, so you will be left out with a minus 2b into a minus b. So this is how we can factorize one way. Okay, otherwise what is other way? Let us regroup. Okay, let's regroup. Right. So a square, I'm just mixing, I'm just combining a square with this one, a square, because you found you have a square here. So here b is the common in the remaining second and third term. So I am combining first and second. A square minus 2a square b plus ab minus 2b square b. So this is regrouping, children. I am regrouping. Okay, mixing, combining first and second, first and third, second and fourth are as one group. So what is the common factor? A square is the common factor. So 1 will be left out here. So 2b will be left, because a square already I have taken out. And then here what is the common? B is the common. So when you take out b, a will be left here, 1b will be remaining here, 2b. So a minus 2b is the left out. But actually what we have to get the same common factor, right? So again we have to shuffle it. What we can shuffle? First and fourth I am try to shuffle it. Okay. So a square minus 2b square. Okay. So even in this case also we are not getting. So let us see. I am sorry, children. I have copied the question wrong. It is not a square, a cube. That is why I am struggling. So a cube plus ab. So ab minus 1 minus into 1 minus 2a minus 2b square is the actually question, 23rd question. Now let us see this. So a cube plus ab into 1 equal to ab, and ab into 2 equal to 2a square b minus 2b square. Now you have 4 terms, so you can group. Directly I am grouping the first 2 and last 2. So what is common here? A is the common here. Okay, now sorry, this is what yeah, correct. Okay, so a is the common. When you take a is the common, you will get a square b left out with a bracket. And what is the common here? 2 I can see, 1b I can see. So 2 is a common, b also common. Okay, I am not writing every term here. I mean 2 into a into a, 2 into a into a into b, 2 into b into b, because already we solved the previous question. So as you have taken common here, a square is left out, and already 2 is out, 1b also out, so 1b will be left inside. So now if I keep minus, what will happen? Let me check. Minus into plus equal to minus, so the center is satisfied. Minus into minus equal to plus, but you have negative, so what you have to keep now? You have to keep plus. Now a square b is a common. Okay, now a square b is a common. So now you can take a square b as a one common factor, and a minus 2b is the other common factor. Okay, so this is how we'll get it. So this is called regrouping. When grouping is not possible, you apply here directly grouping only, no regroup at all. Okay, now at last we'll see 24th question, that actually little bit applied the identity. So the 24th question, which is the last question of this exercise. So you have x square plus 1 by x square minus 2, okay, minus 3x plus 3 by x. So you have seen in the expansion, 1x plus 1 by x whole square can be written as x square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1 by x, cancel. So you will get x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. If it is a plus b whole square, what happens? A minus b whole square, that is a minus b whole square. X minus 1 by x whole square equal to, this part will be minus 2. So what we can, if you observe carefully the first three, so it is looking like, minus 2 here left out. Okay, now so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are given, that is why I am thinking about it. So now you can change, you can write these 3 terms in a one different way, and here you can think about it. So as you have written here, so you can write this totally because x minus 1 by x whole square formula equal to, so this is the answer. So then what we can do, that is why they started this chapter after expansion. In expansion you had this formula. Okay, now I am modifying, I am rewriting this in place of all the 3 terms. So let us write x minus 1 by x whole square. Okay, minus 3 into x plus 3 into 1 by x. Okay, so now 3 is a common factor here, and here you can take x minus 1 by x as 2 times, you can write x minus 1 by x because a plus b whole square. As you take 3 as a common factor here, you will get x 1 by x will be left out here because the plus sign is there. Always don't forget the same sign, same operator will come here. Default plus means plus, minus means minus. 3 I have taken the common factor, x and 1 by x left out. So now if I keep minus, what will happen? Let me see. Minus 3 into x equal to minus 3x, verified. Minus into minus plus, so 3 into 1 by x equal to 3 by x, so satisfied. Now for x minus 1 by x, x minus 1 by x is a common here. X minus 1 by x you take out, and remaining you have to write within the bracket. So drop this here, drop this here. X minus 1 by x, okay, minus 3. So this is what? So we have 2 factors. That's it. Okay, na? Right. So why we have taken this step? Because there are 5 terms. Okay, na? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms are there. So then immediately you have grouping also not possible. In order to group, you need even number of terms. Means 4, 6, 8, like that you have. You must have, but here 5 terms are there, so that is why immediately we need to think about 2 squares is there, so 2 is there. Immediately you have to recollect x minus 1 by x whole square formula, identity. Okay, that's all. So hope I have cleared all your doubts here. So now let us continue with the identities, difference of squares. So the main identity is the difference of squares, already you have learned. Let us recapitulate once, let us recollect. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here in place of a, it can be anything else, 2x, 5x, anything, depends on the question. Okay, now let us see, x square minus 49. Okay, x square can be written as x whole square, and this you can write as 7 square. So again it is looking like a square minus b square, where a equal to x here, b is equal to 7. Okay, don't confuse with minus once again, don't write minus 7, just 7 only. So therefore x square minus 7 square you can write as a plus b, that means x plus 7 into x minus 7, done. Okay, So that's it, 2 factors. So similarly you can try even the second question like that. So 25x square minus 64y square. So number and variable combination is given. So this you can write as 5 square, already x square is there, and this 8 square and y square. So therefore what can you do here? So 5x whole square you can write, and here 8x whole square, 8y whole square. Again it is looking like a minus b whole square formula. Sorry, a square minus b square formula. So that is equal to a plus b, that is 8x, 5x plus 8y into 5x minus 8y is the second. Okay na? Right. Similarly you can try the remaining part. Now sometimes it won't happen. So let us see fourth question. Okay. So in fourth question what we have, there is no perfect square. In that what we have to do out of syllabus, 8a minus 5a square. So interestingly, when you don't get any idea, immediately you have to factorize. So what can you write? 5 into, so 5 ones are 5, 5 6 are 30, okay, minus 5a square. So you first of all take the 5 as a common factor. So inside you will be having 16 minus a square. Okay, so that can be written as 5 into this, you can write as 4 square minus a square. So that is equal to 5 into, again it is looking like a plus b into a minus b. Okay, so a plus b into a minus b, that you, if you simplify here, you will get like so you have taken common here, 5 as a common factor you have taken. So after that you will be having 16 minus a square, 16 minus a square. 16 I have written as 4 square and a square. So you can write as 4 plus a into 4 minus a. Sometimes if you have a square, still a square is there, this further you can simplify. A square minus b square. If you get a square minus b square, again you have to factorize. As of now fortunately we did not get. So these are the 3 factors. Clear? Right. So like this you can take, you can try. So whenever the numbers, 2 numbers are there, there is no perfect square, then always think about the taking the common factors first. Number, take out the number, or else resolve the given number into product of prime factors or product of 2 numbers, then you will get the idea. Okay. Just now I said you have to further factorize. Now let us see here. You know, this you can write as x square whole square, and 81 you can write as 9 square. Okay. Sorry, 9 square, children. Now a plus b into a minus b. What is that? A plus b, that is x square plus 9. A minus b, x square minus 9. Okay. So further you have to concentrate it, because again it is a square minus b square format. X square plus 9 you can't do anything. Okay. So because it's looking like a square plus b square. So here you can write as x square minus 3 square. So x square plus 9. Again this in the form of a square minus b square. So therefore you can write x plus 3 into x minus 3. So that's all. So we can resolve further like this. Okay. Now see here, degree is 4, 1, 2, 3. So 3 factors, but here degree is equal to 2. No? Again you can further classify it into, you can get into 2 factors here, but actually that is not required here. We don't factor here. Degree 2. 2 means 2 factors. Third, fourth, 4 factors. Since degree is 4, you will get 4 factors. Okay, clear? Right. So he has given again a grouping thing here. You have 4 terms here, and that too no perfect square. So what you have to do, you can write as x cube is x square into x minus 5 into x square. Okay, minus x into 1 plus 5 into 1. So here x square is the common factor, you just take it out. X square when you take here, x minus 5 will be left. And I told you while you are working with the remaining 2, always whatever the sign, that sign you have to follow. So 1 is the common factor, you just take 1 as here. So x will be left, 5 will be left here. So now minus into, you have to get plus. So you have, if you keep minus sign, that that will be satisfied. Minus into minus equal to plus. Now you got bracket factors are equal. So the x minus 5 into remaining. Remaining means what? This x square and this minus 1. X square minus 1. Now you got identity, difference of two squares, a square minus b square. X minus 5 will be like that. This is x square and 1 square. 1 square equal to 1 only. So x minus 5 into, you can keep bracket, equal to sign if you wanted. So, and this you can write as x plus 1 into x minus 1. Done. So 3 factors. Degree is equal to 3 children. So you will get 3 factors. Okay. No? So done. Next. Now let us see. Here you have 3 terms only. What are 3 terms? 9 into x. I mean x plus a whole square. If you multiply with 9, you will be getting 3 terms here. Okay. So because a plus b whole square and minus 4x square. So you can write 9 as, it is 9 is a constant, x plus a is a term, and this also given. So what can you write? You can write 3 square into x plus a whole square, and this you can write as 2 square into x square. So now this totally you have square, so therefore I can write as 3 into x plus a whole square, because 3 square x plus a whole square satisfied. Here 2x whole square we can write as 2x square. So and then now you, if you take the factors here, so again it is looking like a square minus b square. A is equal to 3 into x plus a is a, and b is equal to 2x. Okay. Now let us write a plus b, that is 3 into x plus a, that is 2x. This is a one factor. And a minus b means 3 into x plus a minus 2x. Okay. So further you can simplify, because 3 into x 3x, 3 into a equal to 3a. 3x plus 3a plus 2x is the first part, and the second part is 3x plus 3a minus 2x. Okay. So 3x plus 2x equal to 5x plus 3a is a one factor, and the second factor is 3x minus 2x equal to x plus 3a is the second factor. So since degree is equal to 2, you will get 2 factors. Done. Okay. So the remaining remaining part we will see in the next class. So I'll try to cover exercise 4C as well. So 4C and the remaining questions of 4B and 4C will be in part 3. Okay, I'll just continue each and every question. I'm trying to solve it, but it is taking so much time. I'm picking out only little hard and confused questions. Okay, so if you need any help, any question, please don't hesitate to ask me. I am there here. So I just want to make the full R.S. Agarwal ICSE 9th standard book, complete book. So this book only I think all of you following. This is my old book when I joined in Johnson. So this is what actually we are doing. So I'll do each and every part. Please kindly follow. All full textbook you will see in my videos. Thank you. Have a great day.